Hello muchachos, it's me, your boy, back with another video. This time I did not eat an unhealthy amount of watermelon. This time it was pickles. I forget where I was going with this. Oh yeah, I just wrote a new song 2 days ago called Grandfather Clock, and it probably won't make any sense to you because you can't relate to it unless I describe it, which is what I'm about to do. So, when I was younger, I used to always wonder what I would be like and what I would look like and what my life would be like when I was older. And for some reason, I don't know why, but 21 was like the age that I always wondered about what I would look like when I was that age, for some reason. And now I am that age, and I just realized, like, oh shoot, this is what I always dreamed about. Like, I'm right here. And so it's just kind of like, wow, where's the time gone? And also, just like, why do I not have a girlfriend? That's about it. Oh yeah, and I pretend like Grandfather Clock is my enemy, but Grandfather Clock is not my enemy. It's just like a fun thing. But when we used to go to my grandma's house for like Christmas and stuff, she has this big Grandfather Clock with this pendulum that goes, and you can see a reflection, and it's just kind of like a cool thing. But I like, I like juxtapositions and stuff like that. So, that's about it. Bear with my voice. If your ears bleed, I'm not liable. That's about it. And I wrote it 2 days ago, so if it's bad. Time, are you running away? Time, are you my enemy? 21 years without a girl is rough. I'm ready to call it quits and just give up. Grandfather Clock, my age will enemy. Why am I forgetting my words? See, that's what I was telling you about. I just wrote it 2 days ago. Okay? Literally, I wrote it in one night. Freaking idiot. Forgot all the lyrics already. Who the heck wrote this? It was me. Ah, that makes more sense. Don't do that. Okay, the wind's changing my pages now. Hold on. Stop! What the heck? Time, are you running away? I've been counting up the days. 21 years without a girl ain't fun. I've just about give up on love, I quit, I'm done. Grandfather Clock, my age-old enemy. Why you gotta be so hard on me? Grandfather Clock, my age-old enemy. Why you gotta go and break this heart in me? Time, are you running away? I've been counting up the days. 21 years in a cloud of smoke. Looking at Mr. Clock, where did my time go? Tick tock, I wish the pendulum would just stop. Tick tock, I wish the pendulum would just stop. Tick tock, I wish the pendulum would just stop. Tick tock, I wish the pendulum would just time, are you running away? Time, are you my enemy? 21 years without you, love is rough. I'm ready to call it quits, surrender and give up. Time, my enemy. Swing side to side, rhythmic ecstasy. Grandfather Clock, please be my ally. I could use a friend like you right now, I cannot lie. Well, you and me, always contradictory. My adversary, unlike the enemy. You always win, so I will give in. Just give me a girl who I can love. Grandfather Clock, staring back at me. Grandfather Clock, rhythmic ecstasy. Grandfather Clock, please be my ally. Grandfather Clock, I cannot lie. Grandfather Clock, I could use a friend. Grandfather Clock, I'm sure you could too. Grandfather Clock, please be my ally. Grandfather Clock, please be my ally. That was the ending chord. And I'm gonna post this on YouTube because I don't give a crap about what I sound like, obviously. That's why all my music sounds like crap.